Hello everyone, today's video I'm gonna show you how LPG gas installation looks like in Hyundai i10. This is 1.1 liter and this is 2010 model. So we had recently installation and we find this very helpful for us in terms of money wise. You really can save a lot of money if you have gas in your car. So normally Hyundai i10 do 4.5 to 5 liters. It does 100 kilometers. So when you do gas, it change up to half. So right now, this car does 4 to 5 liters gas. It does 100 kilometers, and just because the price of gas is half of the petrol normally. So this is we have recently made. As you can see, it connects with the engine. You can see number second, this one. Okay, there's some installation inside as well. If you would like to make, at least you guys will have some information that you have seen already how this thing looks like. And there is one thing inside as well. As you can see, I will make a close-up. You can see it's inside. And for everyone, I will start this car and I will tell you how exactly this car looks like when it starts. And at the same time, I would like to say to everyone, you're using same engine oil, you're using same filter. There is nothing that you have to use different engine oil for the gas installation to use gas in your car. And I'm going to show you the cylinder, how cylinder looks like. I'm going to on car, and normally when you own your car, you have to on petrol because this is automatic installation. So as you see from a close-up, how does it looks like, you can see. And from inside as well, I showed you. Now I'm going to take you into the cylinder size, how does it looks like. And normally in Hyundai i10 they're putting 44 liter cylinder, and as you can see there is no cylinder. That's the hidden thing. The cylinder is here, so they take out stepney from there and they put cylinder here. This is a cylinder that contains 44 liters of gas, so it's hidden. So still you have your own space what you can use. You can use your own space. As you can see how this cylinder looks like, it's quite big, it's 44 liters. So if you're going to install gas in your car, so you will know already that you can put maximum cylinder is 44 liters in Hyundai i10 1.1. I'm gonna own this car in front of you now, and you will see how this looks like from inside. As I have okay, this is the display kit we have here, as you can see. And I'm gonna own this car. This car always you must have in this car always petrol just to own, and automatically it turns into gas, so you don't have to press any button to change on gas. So let's see now. Yeah, as you can see. Okay, as you can see, I have 2 points right now and it's blinking. When it's blinking, it means it's ready to change. So I'm gonna own this car now. Okay, this car is on already, and you're gonna have a click voice. That means this car is already on the gas. As you can see, it's not blinking anymore. It means this car is already converted. So it takes like 3 seconds to change on gas automatically. We're not pressing any button. Okay, I will do again. I off this car right now, and it should be off everything right now straight away. It's taking some time. Okay, we're gonna see. Okay, everything is off now. I'm gonna start on again and we'll see how this works. As you can see, I just turned keys on now. Blinking means it's ready to change on gas. We're gonna start car. Okay, as I start this car, as you can see, in less than 3 seconds this blinking stops. It means it automatically convert onto gas. Please subscribe my channel, like my videos, and I will keep making more videos for information. Thank you.